Khubor Phibaro Shakathub Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentakas ngi kilong. Klat no Reverend Padar Matthew Parakate SDP. Lapelat kali de Khubor hasurak Shillong Dauki. Kintu bak prestun ban kersha ni kedustur tenrai kiriulum ke Jylla. Bat yakren ubak senyaw bahalang bat kinongelam ke Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association. Bat mentangin pa siya ki Khubor bakampanya. Khasinews Province St. John Paul Baar Shillong kelepen pau kajing sngosi halor kajing klat no jong Reverend Padar Matthew Parakate PMSDB menta kesngi ha Khubor khat ar khat san no pai sngi ha Nazareth Hospital Shillong hadin bola shitom slembha. Udan nyo pulai snem kerta bat ula syak sumar ha hospital nadu unailar arjar arpwe. Lakai hakan riu terik ujeliu kat kendai spak san puar ha korom wayanat Kerala na kalong yeng long sem balaklat no ilit mathai bat lit anama parakate. Ularung Shakaslishin Congregation House nem kat kendai spak nyo pulai bat ula shim ye kajing smai beningkong ban long riu niam ha ka arpusau terik jemang kat kendai spak nyo punyo. Lepen kentang lingdo so ble yu hakan riu terik kolalengkot kat kendai spak prapun riu hamulan koli Kerala. Hakini kisau post nem tam jong kajing jong ukum ulingdo upadar Matthew letri hok bat kajing mensi maki babun kijaka mission jong Khasinews hakadong mi ingi keri India hasuna pahar domni nongston kliriat bat kiwe pat kijaka. Ulalong kum urektor parish priest bat kiwe ki kambo ula benchet haki babun ki ying beper bat kajing jong kalong kanuksa jong kajing riu blay kajing jemnot bat kajing shashkor hakajing hikai jong donbosco. Hakajing kenmau jong Reverend Padar John Zuziamia SDP Provincial ke Shillong ulaong. Upadar Matthew ulong riuble jong kajing syakri ubajem not bat ubajai mensim ha ubakloi bantre na kebenta ki Samla. Ni IT ke mensim jong ha kakti bakho jong Chris unong aplang brot babha. Provincial ula pentip ru ba en penlong ye ke requiem mas ha Bosco Technical School Shillong ha Khubor riu baje janmit ha ka nyutrik Naiwieng arjar arpusan. Karkum Khasinews Constitution C54 kajingkan mau ye kitu ki para reuniam ke belaklat ke penyeso ingi ha kajing ke penklan ye kajing khot jengi bat ke penslur ingi ban ha kajinget haduk ke mensim ke bakatu. Ha kajinget bakajing kermen ke Shillong Province ke IT no ye ke mensim jong Padar Matthew Parakate SDP ha utrai ubelmi pat kat kum ke ktin ublei ngalong kajing mi pat kajing uta ubanget hanga wat law layap ru na ke gospel jong Yohanes ke lenong ke bakatwe ke dekat ke arpusan. Kajing let on tep ye kan long lashai ke sngi ke praterik Naiwieng arjar arpusan ban sedang da kemas bakot ha Khubor arbaji no pai sngi ha Bosco Technical School Shillong buat sekajing let ira ye ke met jong show lum kentang ulum jing tep halai mkra cemetery. Badang shna surok en khangyat kali nadu khatwe baje kemit jong ke praterik hajan school gorkha apa Shillong. Ke office jong Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Shillong kelepentip bana mar kajing pentre ye ke surak hajan rhododendron trek bat hajan school gorkha apa Shillong kumta en khang shipor ya ke surak nadu Khubor khatwe bejimin mit jong ke praterik hadu Khubor san bejimin step jong ke kendai terik Naiwieng arjar apusan. Kumta lekentui ki pat ba bikin ya chwa na linti like kor pomlakrai shasan mer apa Shillong bat kumta markel yang na kebenta kitu ki bajuyat na ketika surak. Lepentip ru balakang shwa ki kali he banyat ya Khubor mensengi jong ka kendai terik Naiwieng arjar akusan. Umentri rangba sendrop ubak prestun tensong ula sakhi dalaki jong ki khmat ya ka let niam pomlang beshisin chisnem jong ke hima khairim ban ai ka ngu ka dem yo blay nong bu nong thau bat ye ka sim blay long sim na ka benta ka bha ka mya jong ki sim ba jong ki khun ki hajar jong ka hima baro ka we ba prestun ulaong amla ban ya nujor ye ka pomlang hima bat ki we pat ki lek men jong ka Jylla kum ka cherry blossom kale niam pomblang kadai ka kenya ka kriam na kaliang ka mensim kat ba ki lek men jong ka Jylla pat kidai na ka benta ka kemen ka sngoba ha ki imlang salang. Ulaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya ka kentiu bat kershan ye ka shat nongkrem ka wangala ka shat suk mensim bat ka beting klam namar kia sno bat kedustur kariti jong kijak ban riu lom jong kani ka Jylla. Ula kintui ke district council ban ai ke jingkershani kini kedustur kiriti jong kijak ban riu jong kani ka Jylla.
Well, I think every year we used to attend this Nongkrem dance, where we call it, and the Hima Khairim, I think one of the biggest Hima, you say, they do conducting the the customary practices every year, and again today is the last day, and being the last day, I think we have seen it, I've experienced it. I used to attend almost every annual event that we have, and I'm so thankful to the CM of Hima Khairim, and also I would like to say that because even myself and my constituency is part of this Hima Khairim, so I'm so proud seeing the turnout of the people during this annual festival, and I'm very sure with this festival that we are having every year, it will bring more blessings to the entire Hima as well as to the state of Meghalaya.
We have the upcoming comment
From Joy that Bedding Club. So government used to give some kind of assistance annually.
Uba senyaw bahalang dhar Menteri Rangba Sendrop ulai kendu ikinoilam jengki Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association hakaba ulai kentu ikinoilam kini keseng banweng bat sange no ya kejeng ki jongki. Ulo ong ru iki banwan syakami jeng kren ban penpau kejeng kejeng dawa jongki. Ulo ong ru baka sorkar kayai pli kejeng khang ban kren habadon kenu kejeng Kasorkar kadang ap ya kejing menjur bat jing keluar jing kinong yalam kini keseng banwan syakamit ban ye kren ya kejing bagi ya kendu. Ya kini ke Khubor layathu dopa Preston Tensong Menteri ki kampo yeng ke Jylla. Halor kejing dawa ban pelat no mardor ya kinong yalam ki pela syakem klem kenu ke kendon uba Preston ulong bakaan kan ya la kejong kelenti. Uba Preston ula kentui kinong ilam jong ni keseng ban sange no kijeng ki kenang ba kelet kawan ke kit kaba kan yat bet Khuborjylla bat kipat ba kinlat na kijeng ba bonchat.
how is the government looking at?
The latest is in fact today in the afternoon, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Bahalang who is also looking after Transport Department. He has a meeting with them again today in the afternoon. So from the government side, we requested them to withdraw the agitational program, and instead of doing that, better you come to the table for discussion. So now we have requested them to immediately lift the agitation, and we are waiting for the decision to be taken by them, I think, now in the evening.
What about the people who are arrested?
That, the law will take its own course. That's what I'm saying. So first of all, we would request all of them to call off the program and make sure that the movement, the traffic movement goes smoothly as usual.
Bat da kini ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tat hadu pengidai syambiang kublai shibon.